Nico nga pala boss, I'm the owner of the shop. Nice to meet you, Sir Carlo. Ay talaga boss, thank you. Oh yun, napapanood daw, Magic Word.
Thank you so much. Because of that, we will be back.
I'll give this for 12,000 na lang. And then for the shirts, 11,000 each. So 1,500 total discount. What's up guys? We're sa Prism Store. Wala ngayon si Brother Carl. May ginagawang other project. Kuma-sideline. So ito, solo muna tayo today. Ibibenta tayo ng mga shoes. Let's go. Ito, triple XL ako. Ito. Ito po. Mga bestseller natin na apparel lately. Sobrang bilis talaga. Like every day, I think we have medium and may time benta. And sir, like for example, sa akin, yung 2XL, katulad niyan, sakto lang naman yung fit. Gusto ko na talaga loose dahil ako. Pero parang sa style mo na, pasok yung ganyan. Kasi kung mahilig ka sa shorts okay yung ganyang fit. Nico nga pala boss, I'm the owner of the shop. Nice to meet you, Sir Carlo. Ay talaga boss, thank you. Pwede naman kasi, oh yun, napapanood daw, Magic Word. Pwede naman boss. Sige boss Carlo, 11.5 ka. So for that design, sobrang liit ng wiggle room ko. Nabili ko kasi mahal. 11 ko bibigay sir. Okay. Thank you Sir Carlo, salamat. Maraming salamat po Sir Carlo, salamat. Thank you. Please go usap, nag-fit. Pasok sa kanya yung size, sold agad.
Isa muna. Wait. Never listen.
The Samba color that you're choosing is much rare. Meaning if you decide in the future you want to get that, it will probably still be available.
Whereas this one won't?
This one, it won't be na.
So same price?
Same naman po yung price. Ayun po,
what's this? Thank you so much. Because of that, we will be back.
Order po ng customer. Ito po. Thank you sir, ma'am. Salamat po. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
I've been talking to a customer online. And ito si Ma'am Carol, actually, she asked for some human-made shirts designs. Siya yan. She found a human-made shirt na gusto niya and we're sending the payment details. She's driving lang and then she's gonna send the payment. Size small, she's gonna order this. We sold this for 10,500. Opo. Talaga? Magbibenta siya dito today ng mga human made. Hinihintay ko nga siya eh.
Oo, magkakaroon.
Ito brother naman. Okay naman. Hello. Fresh from Japan. Ayan. May okay ka bang mga
Kapalit ko lang dito.
Oo nga eh. Okay pa nga ni madam eh. Doon muna, binubudol pa namin si kami. Nag-usap naman tayo online. So this is done deal naman na. I'm just gonna show you guys kung ano yung mga binili sa atin ni Errol from Japan. So ito, may customer tayong umorder. Sakto nandun siya. And may nag-pre-order ng Onitsuka Ginger Peach.
Tapos, pala ako sa'yo.
Oy, pasalubong. Oy, gusto ko yung pasalubong po. Grabe. Yung mga gusto ko guys, yung mga reseller, dapat ganito kaya yung si Errol. Di ba? Ito actually guys, nagustuhan ko to. Pinuntaan ni Errol yung picture. Photo lang nakita ko kasi ang ganda eh. Ay, ang ganda human made guys. Tapos ito, nakita din ako dito. Matchy ito eh.
Ganda pa ng color.
Ang ganda ng color nito guys. And then this is the brown one. Human made na cup. Dalawang black. Ayan guys.
Parang waterproof na yun.
Waterproof?
Oo, ganda.
Waterproof daw. Hindi na mababasa yung bunbunan mo. Puti. Ito may umorder na agad, no? Nung pinakita mo yung picture, si Edson, no? May nakabenta na rin. Tignan mo, kakalapag lang, may bumili na, guys. Ito, t-shirt. Ang ganda, may pair. Okay, brother, so may total, how much?
Total ko, 56,000.
56,000. Tawag ako sa accounting natin. Ayun, no? Carl, natawagan namin, magbabayad tayo. So yun, binibenta na naman si Jason ng human made, sir. Human made talaga guys, sobrang bilis. Kaya yun, kaka-cash out lang natin 56,000 sold. So, and may bumibili na naman ng human made. Pero yung human made, yung yung Tiger. Tsaka po yung
Tsaka sa Cloud 6.
Dalawa agad, Cloud 6. Magkano binito yung Cloud 6?
12.5.
12.5 and then human made. Eto, 11.5. Sige, bigyan natin discount sir.
Paolo.
Nice to meet you, Sir Paolo. So, you gave this 11.5 and then 12.5. I'll give this for 12,000 na lang. And then for the shirts, 11,000 each. So, 1.5 total discount out of 3. Thank you. Salamat po. Salamat. And, so guys, human made on. Yan lang yung binibenta natin. So, araw-araw, yan yung mga nabibenta dito. Ito sir, yung mga galing Japan kakadating na mo. Ayan, yung mga cups naman, 10.5 tayo dyan, madam. Waterproof, water resistant daw to. Wala pa po. Yung white yung meron na. So, yung white pakita ko sa inyo. So, yung, mas maganda yung black sa kanya. Ito po yung white. Maganda rin naman pero bagay sa'yo. Bagay sa'yo yung itim. So yun. Ito sir. Oh, additional cap. Ayan, kadadating lang. Nabudol sila sir. Oh, ayan. Human made cap sold agad for 10.5. So, patotal na ng Ozon and then kakart nila na. Medyo humupa yung customer. So, mag-ayos tayo ng mga display, mag-ayos tayo ng mga stocks na dumating and everything. All part of the process of managing our store. To do the inventory, tapos lagyan mo ng barcode isa-isa. So, isa na lang makikita mo pero encode mo dalawa. Pero na ako.
Bus outro na.
Outro na. Sige, wait lang. Nag-picture lang kami. Yung customer nag-request ng mga sushi na on hand natin. There's so much going on in running a store, you know, inventory, paying stocks. All of those factors are all factors that help us build our brand and build the customer service that we want for our customers. Yun lang.
Check nga ni.
Check nga ni. Sige. So for the cap, I'm wearing Human Made cap. This is available sa Prism Store for 10,500. Human Made t-shirt din tayo. So yan, this is available sa Prism Store for 10,500. For the pants, I'm wearing Uniqlo active pants. And then for the shoes, yan, Samba tayo today. We're wearing the collaboration ng Adidas Samba and collab. I think mataas na to eh, like around 22 to 25,000, depends on the size. And for the watch, we have the Cartier Ronde, available sa Gentry.